Welcome to this video on converting your digital archive from chaos to clarity, turning it into a living study engine. Data is only useful if you can retrieve it. Many of us sit on a gold mine of old notes, videos, and slides. Since rereading everything is impossible, this knowledge remains dead and inaccessible. Meet your new engine, NotebookLM. It combines your data with an AI model to create a study engine. The language model reads, processes, and indexes your uploaded content to understand meaning, not just keyword matches. If you can study it, we can read it. NotebookLM handles various formats, including PDFs, Google Slides, audio recordings, YouTube links, and web URLs. This includes summarizing videos and transcribing lectures automatically. NotebookLM is grounded in your truth. Unlike open web searches, it creates a bounded index and answers, using only your source materials. Also, your data is private and not used to train Google's public models. NotebookLM generates an instant study guide. It produces summaries, mind maps, and structured guides with key takeaways from your materials. Instead of searching, converse with your material. Stop using Ctrl+F and start asking questions in natural language, such as asking for summaries or explanations. Turn your notes into a podcast with the Audio Overviews feature. Generate a deep dive conversation between two AI hosts discussing your specific material, perfect for learning while commuting or resting. Stop reading and start testing with NotebookLM. It auto-generates flashcards from key terms and creates quizzes and practice exams from your lecture notes, shifting from passive reading to active recall. When your notes aren't enough, NotebookLM bridges the knowledge gaps. It finds relevant, high-quality web sources to add to your notebook, transforming a closed loop into a curated discovery engine. The rules of engagement include best practices like cleaning up notes and using specific follow-up questions. Limitations are that it is not a data science tool and is designed for language and concepts, not calculation. Master your knowledge base by shifting from rereading dead files to conversing with a living archive. The future includes new deep research modes that act as an autonomous research assistant. Stop drowning in data and start conversing with your material.